Hello children, welcome you in the chemistry class. Children, today I am going to teach you structure of the atom. What is the atom? Children, you know atom is the smallest particle of the matter. But about atom, when scientists, philosophers and thinkers told and what they told in the beginning. So we know big things are made up of smaller things. Any things we are taking that is made up of tiny particles. That tiny particles of which the matter is made up of, that is called atom. Atom is very small in size. Greek philosopher Democritus told everything in the world is made of very small particles, and that particles are invisible and indivisible. So this invisible and indivisible small particle is called atom. Atom has taken from Greek word. English meaning of the atom is indivisible. Therefore, about atom has told atom is very small, invisible and indivisible particles. Indian philosophers Maharshi Kanad use the term Paramanu. According to Kanad, when a pure substance is divided or cut into smaller particles, then in the last stage, very small particle is coming. The very small particles which we cannot cut, that tiniest particle is called Paramanu. And he told Anu is made up of two or more Paramanu. After that, in 19th century, English schoolmaster John Dalton studied about the atom and he proposed his atomic theory that is called Dalton's atomic theory. According to the Dalton's atomic theory, each element is made of very small particles and that very small particle is called atom. Second point, he told atom of a particular element are all alike. For example, when you are taking oxygen, oxygen is an element, all the atom of oxygen are alike. But when you are taking the atoms of two or different elements, so they are different. So there are differences in the atoms of different elements. Third point, Dalton told atoms are indestructible. It means atom can neither be created nor destroyed. Fourth point, Dalton told atoms of various elements take part in a chemical reaction and atoms combine together, join together, form molecule. So an atom is made of by the combination of, a molecule is made up of by the combination of atoms. Atoms of different elements combine in a fixed ratio of a small whole number to form compound atom, and the compound atom now is called molecule. So children, John Dalton discovered the symbol for atom of the elements, and he told atoms combine together and form compound atom. That compound atom is called molecule. So Dalton was the first scientist who realized the importance of writing chemical formula, and he had given the chemical formula of some compounds like nitrous oxide, carbonic oxide, carbon dioxide, and methane. So children, I told to you about the atom. Atom is the tiniest invisible and individual particles of element. Atoms are too small that when we are taking 254 millions of atom and keep them in a row like this. So when we are taking this like this 254 millions of atom, then its length will come 1 inch. It means in 1 inch 254 millions of atom can be placed. So atom is very small particle of the element.